Hi, my name's Chef Jeffers from Fireside Cookery School. I'm working along with Queens and St Angela's on their COVID-19 survey. We found due to furlough and job losses, people are finding it really tough at the moment. So here's some lovely tips to stretch your budget. So we're going to do a little vegetarian sweet potato curry, really delicious, an Indian curry we're going to do here, just using boiling curry paste. Okay. First of all, you're going to get yourself some vegetable oil and cover the back side of your pan with your vegetable oil. Once that comes to nice heat, you're going to put in your onions. I'm using red onions because they're nice and sweet. And we're going to cook those onions out for a few minutes until they're slightly golden and they're soft. Okay, so in that goes. So we've salted our onions down, they're sweated down, they look lovely. We're going to get our curry paste in here. So I'm just using a wee tikka paste. There it goes. So I'm going to cook it out. You can use a hotter paste if you want, but I like the tikka. Really works well. And there's many brands out there do a tikka curry paste, so you can use that up. We'll cook that out for a few minutes. What we're going to do, I've roasted off some lovely sweet potatoes. They're going to go straight in there. I also had some leftover potatoes, which I had, chopped them up. And I'm also going to put a little half green chilli in there too, which gives it a bit of spice. I don't even cut the chilli up, I just leave it in there and then I take it out later on. We'll cook that for a few minutes. Next thing I'm going to do is add my 10 chopped tomatoes. And there you go. Our tomato passata is fine too, by the way. You can put that in there. Smells amazing, by the way. Okay, bringing it up to a boil. And then what we're going to do now is we're going to cover it with a little bit of stock and simmer this for about 15 minutes. I've got my stock here. I'm using vegetable stock. In goes our veggie stock. Making sure all those lovely vegetables are covered. Again, you can change around here. If you want to put aubergine here, fine. If you want to put courgette in here, fine. You change it around. But potato works, and it really is. It fills you up too, potato. So bring it up to a boil. So once that hits a boil, I'm going to simmer this for about 10 to 15 minutes. Simmer this for about 10 to 12, 15 minutes, depending on how thick you like your curry. Next we put in our coconut milk, and it goes. Good stuff. Let that boil again. And then we're going to simmer that for about 5 minutes. So our coconut milk is reduced down into the sauce, which is absolutely delicious. In goes our frozen peas, and that wee bit of parsley. If you have coriander, that would be good too. By the way, if you have any greens about, things like frozen spinach or bags of spinach, or you've got some maybe cabbage, add that in here at this time here. Cook it out for a couple of minutes, and hey presto, you have a really beautiful curry made in minutes. So I'm going to plate this up, like you see what it's like. I would serve this with some just basmati rice, if you had any. Let me see. Put this out here. Several wee dishes. Curry's ready. I love this. In fact, these vegetables are so chunky. Next portion there. This won't cost you a fortune at all, and it's just as good as any curry you would buy. So that's your lovely curry, made in minutes. So roasted sweet potato, pea and red onion curry.